Namaskar and welcome to the 9 p.m. radio of the RIA Academy. Get not only news but news insights every day at 9 p.m. Only at 9 p.m. radio. Today is July 18, 2025, and as usual, I am here, Dr. Tej Pratap Singh from RIA Academy, your civil services teacher and mentor. Let's break down the top national and international developments that came in the news headlines today. We begin with a sobering update from the United Nations. The SDG report 2025 that only 17% of sustainable development goals are on track, while over a third are either stagnating or reversing. Hunger, education, and water access remain critical gaps. With just 5 years to 2030, global leaders have endorsed the Sevilla commitment, pushing for multilateral reforms and a $4 trillion annual financing boost to rescue Agenda 2030. Now, you can get this kind of exquisite notes today for free by downloading the RIA Academy app. Remember, tomorrow it becomes paid. Yes, you can revolutionize yourself and your exam preparation with IAS Red Notes and 9 p.m. radio of RIA Academy. Next, a breakthrough from Gujarat. India's first tribal genome sequencing project has been launched. Led by the Gujarat Biotechnology Research Center, the project will analyze 2,000 genetic samples from 17 districts to create a tribal genome reference library. It aims to personalize healthcare for conditions like sickle cell and thalassemia while also ensuring ethical engagement with tribal communities. This pioneering move could be replicated nationwide for inclusive biotech development. In disaster management, the July 10 Delhi earthquake has reignited concerns over urban resilience. Delhi has seen 159 seismic events in 2025 alone, and over 80% of its buildings remain non-compliant with seismic codes. The NDMA and NCS are now accelerating retrofitting measures, adding seismic stations and advocating a national retrofitting mission. With 59% of India in seismic zones, enforcing safety norms has become a top national priority. Shifting to agriculture, the Union Cabinet has cleared the PM Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana with a 1.44 lakh crore budget. The scheme targets 100 low-performing districts to improve productivity, irrigation, credit access, and crop diversification. With convergence of 36 schemes and district-level agricultural planning, it mirrors the aspirational districts model and aims to transform India's rural economy sustainably. Also in the agri-space, regulatory scrutiny on biostimulants is tightening. Over 30,000 unregulated products are in circulation, prompting the Agriculture Ministry to question ICAR's oversight. On its 97th Foundation Day, ICAR launched farmer testing kits, a toll-free complaint line, and committed to aligning research with sustainability and farmer welfare. A comprehensive framework for certification and ethical pricing is now in the works. And now, some key data to know and remember. India and South Korea mark 10 years of strategic partnership with talks on defense, semiconductors, and skilled mobility. April-June exports rose to $210.31 billion US, aided by Trade Connect. Draft oil rules with stabilization clauses were unveiled at Urja Varta 2025. An automotive mission plan 2047 was launched for green mobility. Finally, 78 cities awarded for urban sanitation under Swachh Survekshan. That's a wrap for today. And don't forget to download RIA Academy app to access the free notes. Good night and goodbye.